2 con起碼2 con鹽啦。上網尋我上網我哋搜。依家過之後我唔知舊咪乜嘢。呢個臘肉，睇住。OK。你唔攞個乜嘢味啊嘛 OK。係啊，9陣，OK。
Making 臘肉 again， 又係阿媽整臘肉呢次，幾靚睇下，你睇下，哇！請起個嚇，哇呀！
佢隔幾日都有 A 度後位。
Here's mom
咦，好靚啊！
屎好靚啊！
好香啊！
This is day 2 of our pork belly. You can already tell that the color is a little bit darker and it's firming up. So beautiful. This is the perfect time of year to make pork belly. It's cold outside, so we brought it into the basement. And we have perfect conditions down here too. No flies, no mess, no smell. Honestly, it does not smell at all. A lot of people ask and post questions about, does it smell? Do you get critters? We don't keep it outside, we bring it in. And actually the color, it's marbling, it's beautiful. This is a perfect slab of pork belly that we used. And honestly, you have to use liqueur that's above 40%. So you can use vodka, which is a perfect choice to make pork belly, cured pork belly. Here's what day 4 looks like. So this is day 4 and actually it's ready. You don't want it to be too hardened, but you can see the color, it's beautiful. And our pork belly is ready to be stored away in the freezer. You can cook it fresh or you can freeze it so it lasts for a lot longer. We freeze ours and it lasts about 6 months in the freezer at least. When we're ready to eat it, we bring it out, thaw it, and then cook it. So many ways to enjoy pork belly.